everyone and welcome back to this channel. Today we are doing this sultry emerald green makeup look. It's something that I feel like it's easier to do for an event or for a night out. It does not require too much things, but it's one of my favorite looks ever, so I don't want to get you bored. If you want to see how I achieve this eye look, keep on watching and let's jump in. So, as usual, I will start creating my base with some eye cream and some face cream. This is an important step in doing your face makeup because you prepare your skin for the foundation, and I usually let my creams stay on my face till I do my eyes because I don't want to get eyeshadow on my face, and also this gives them enough time to penetrate the skin and moisturize it. So here I already did my eyebrows before I started filming, because you already saw what I'm doing for my eyebrows in my previous videos. For today I wanted to go for a green emerald look just because I feel like my blonde hair matches with this color perfectly. I always choose to go with pressed glitters because it makes your job easier and I don't feel like you need a sticky base underneath like you do when you use powder glitter. And also a bonus, you can't really mess your foundation even if you do before the eyes because you have no fallout. So keep in mind this trick because it will help you a lot. After that I did a little bit of eyeliner because I don't like to wear falsies without having a little bit of eyeliner. After this step I applied a little bit of mascara and applied my lashes. Some makeup artists don't use mascara, some do. I'm not always using it either, but it helps a bit sticking the falsies better to your eyelashes. After finishing my eyes, I will apply my foundation and blend till I cover up all my face. I don't really use concealer because I don't feel the need to on my face as my foundation is already full coverage. I will put some powder on my face to set it in place, and I will do a little bit of bronzer and highlighter. After finishing my face, I will do my lips in this cute nude color and apply a little bit of gloss base. So this is the final look. See you in a bit. So this is the makeup look that we did today. I love to do my makeup here on YouTube and I cannot lie, I feel so good to be here. So if you like this makeup look, please do not leave until you press that like button below and you leave me a comment if you like smoky eyes or you prefer another makeup styles. And if you don't mind, please subscribe right there so we can become friends, and please press that bell button so I see that you are interested in my videos. So I'll see you in my next video. Grab a coffee and enjoy your life. Bye bye.